Miami Yacht Club, Regatta, Key Largo, Miami Regatta. Boats getting ready. Beautiful morning, not a lot of wind, so it's going to be interesting. We're in the shallower area, so you see a lot of the monohulls. About 75 or 100 boats out today. Beautiful day, not a lot of wind, but it looks like it's going to be fun. A lot of people jockeying on the line here.
Guys, can you stop over? What if the horn is burr, 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 burr?
So that's to start the race.
Oh, burr, 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 burr.
See, we'll put different sails out. There's not a lot of wind, and they start on a certain time. At 8, you can see how the smaller boats are getting out in front of the bigger boats. It's because of the wind.
The wind what?
And they have different categories and classes depending on the type of boat, so because they're not all the same boats. But look at that. See how they're all spreading out?
They start?
Yeah, they started. Look at them. Isn't that pretty?
Who's winning?
Well, it's a race all the way down to Key Largo, so it's a long, long race.
Where's Kenny's boat?
Kenny's boat is kind of in the middle. It's got that yellow sail. See that yellow sail there? The blue boat with that kind of yellow sail? I think he's going to win. Pretty, right? Miami Key Largo race. Yay!